Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Cheche Stitches. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the steps I took in making this triple zipper pouch. So guys, if you want to know the steps I took in making this triple zipper pouch, subscribe to this channel for more beautiful videos like this to come. Like this video for it to reach more people who are interested in this. Drop a comment on the comment section below on what you think about this video. Let's get started. The material I worked with for the making of this pouch is a synthetic leather. You can also work with any fabric of your choice. The length I cut down for this pouch is 14 inches and the width is 9 inches. When it is unfolded, the length is 7 inches. I'm going to use my chalk to target the middle of this material. I'll use my ruler to create a straight line at the middle of the material. This part will be the back of the pouch and this part will be the front of the pouch. So for the front, this is the part I'm going to be dividing. From the beginning of the material, I came down by 1.5 inches. I'm also going to come down again by 1.5 inches. I'll use my ruler to extend the dots. After I was done marking down the 1.5 inches, I'm going to give them numbers. I'm going to use my scissors to separate the lines. This is the zipper I'll be working with one zip head on it, and when cutting it out, let it be the width of the material plus extra 1.5 inches to the zipper. So guys, I'm going to show you guys the trick on how to cut out the lining for it. So if I measure from the center point to this end point, I got 4 inches. So what I'm going to do now is to fold my lining on fold and measure out 4 inches, and when you open it up all, it should be total length of 8 inches, and the width of the lining will still remain 9 inches, which is the width of the pouch. How to measure out the second zipper lining. So from this first part, I'm going to measure down and I got 5.5 inches, but when cutting out the lining, I cut out length as 6 inches, not 5.5 inches. Remember, the lining should be on fold when cutting it out. So guys, this is how you cut out the lining. The next thing now is to start the stitching. I'm going to get my zip head, and the good face of the zip head, I'll face it to the good face of the material. I'll get the lining, the smaller part of the lining, and I'm going to place it on top of the wrong side of the zipper. After stitching it, this is how it looks like. I'm going to face the lining to face the wrong part of the material and go right on my sewing machine and top stitch. After the top stitching, this is how it looks like. The next step now is to get the second layer that I marked to. The zipper is already facing the right face. I'm going to also face the leather to the zipper right face, and this is how it will look like. I'm going to get my lining. Watch how I'm going to place in the lining. The lining will now be at the back of the zipper. I'm going to go right to my sewing machine and stitch them together. Once I was done stitching, this is how it looks like. As you can see, the inner pocket is already forming. The next step now is to top stitch. So this stitch allowance, I'm going to face it directly to this upper leather part and go right to my sewing machine and top stitch it. So guys, this is how it looks like after I was done top stitching. So guys, this is how you create the first zipper layer of the pouch. For the second zipper layer is still the same method I used in adding the first layer. The first method I used in adding the first layer is still the same with the second method in adding the second layer. When adding the third zipper layer is the only difference. After I was done with the stitching, I'm going to insert the zip head back. I'm going to be adding the third zipper layer, and I've already cut out the lining for it, the same shape with the material I cut out. I'm going to place the right face of the zipper to the right face of the material. I'll place the lining to the wrong side of the zipper and I'm going to stitch it. After the stitching, I'm going to top stitch it. After I was done with the stitching and top stitching, this is how it looks like. To stitch the second part of the zipper, I'm going to face the material to meet the zipper like this. Get the lining from the back and place it this way. I'll go right on my sewing machine and stitch them together. Once I was done with the stitching, this is how it looks like. I'm going to open it up through the zipper part for me to top stitch it. So guys, these are the steps I took in making this triple zipper pouch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Drop your comments on what you think about this video. Subscribe to this channel for more beautiful videos like this to come. Turn on your notification bell to be the first to be notified when I upload new video. Thank you guys for watching and see you all in my next tutorial. Bye.